I was always into fitness. I danced, I played lacrosse growing up. I go to Georgia College, freshman year, put on the freshman 15. And so I quickly realized I wanted to be intentional in my health. I wasn't feeling as good. And so I started teaching group fitness classes and became a personal trainer. And I loved that. And that was what I wanted to do in my career. A few people told me, like, Kristin, you should get a degree. Just finish college and get a degree. And they all told me, go nursing. You can always fall back on it. Even if you don't use your career path, like, you have a degree to fall back on.
Cum laude, Kristin Marie Corbin.
So I started my career as a nurse in the ER, and I really enjoyed it. But I went back to my training as a personal trainer, and I kept seeing my patients come in with what we called our brown bag. And in their brown bag was 20 pills, 15 pills. Whatever they grabbed as the paramedics were picking them up, they grabbed all their medicine, they put it in the brown bag, they come in a gurney. I'm sitting here and I really don't feel like I'm making a difference in our healthcare system.
Kristin Marie Corbin.
I went back and got my master's because I worked with some nurse practitioners, and nurse practitioners were able to sit down with patients and make treatment plans. So I became a nurse practitioner and I loved it. I then started working in integrative medicine, and then I ended up getting my doctorate. They offered me a DNP. I got a scholarship through Georgia College. Through this whole experience, I started to kind of identify things that I wanted in my career. I knew I wanted to improve healthcare, and the way I describe this is I want to put the health back in healthcare. So if I were to tell you why you should go back to Georgia College for your master's, there'd be a few things that I would absolutely make sure that you knew. Is one, the master's program at Georgia College is a hybrid. So you don't have to stop everything you're doing to get a master's. I think that is huge. You can have work, life, and you can have education all at the same time. The Honduras mission trip was one of my favorite experiences in my master's program, and I don't think there's a lot of colleges that offer that unique kind of medical mission experience. And we went over there for 2 weeks and we treated people in different villages of Honduras. So, one, you can do it with work, you can do it with life, you can do it and get a master's degree at the same time. Two, you're not just a number, you're gonna get deep relationships with your classmates and your professors. You're gonna have small class sizes, which is huge. You're gonna have a hybrid model, and then you have opportunities to do things like go to Honduras and do a medical mission, which is one of my favorite memories of my master's.